How to buy GoMining tokens directly on the GoMining platform itself. First, log into your GoMining account. You'll find a wallet icon. You just have to tap on it. You will be redirected now to GoMining wallets. Click on Buy GoMining and choose your payment method. GoMining offers a variety of payment methods, including cryptocurrencies. You can use Bitcoin, USDT, Ethereum, Binance Pay, or Coinbase Pay. Of course, you could also use credit cards, bank transfers, Apple Pay, Google Pay, and local payment options are also available. Once you are done choosing your payment method, specify the amount of GoMining tokens you'd like to purchase. Review the details of your purchase, including the amount, price, and payment method. Click Confirm to complete the transaction.